So in the book and the journal, you give people a lot to read, a lot to think about, and a lot to do if they really intend to change their lives. So I want to talk to you about what you think is the best way for people to use these books. And I'd already started telling them there's a 6-week study guide in the back of the book, and then the journal is 10 weeks of daily exercises um, that can be used by individuals or groups. Is that what you had in mind?
It is exactly. So, like right now, Unity on the Bay, Reverend Juan and Unity on the Bay, they have 65 people doing the 10-week book study and using the companion journal to work with that. So the companion journal is a spiral bound one where they get to write and answer questions and do exercises all the time. You can do the companion journal all on your own. I'm doing it every morning. Now that it's actually in print, I have a book I get to do it in a linear form, and I'm enjoying it so much
Mhm.
as part of my morning routine. And so the book itself has those same worksheets. The companion journal expands on them and gives you more questions and more prompts to go deeper. And you get to do it as your own pace if you're doing it as a self study. So that's another way to do it. But accountability in a class or a workshop or a small study group, that helps too, because neuroscience has proven to us that people who state their goal, who claim it in a small group and have accountability within that group, are 33% more likely to manifest the goal than people who just make a goal and keep it to themselves. So, yes,
Someone actually
33%.
studied that.
I mean, really, someone at Dominican University right here in California did that. And I read the study, it was just so amazing. Being in a support group where you explain what you want to make, what you want to
Mhm.
manifest, what you want to do, and having a group to support you is so helpful in changing your life.
Interesting.
So there's lots of different ways that you can do that. And